All right, my name is Ben. I'm a contributor and founder at GLend, previously Tender.finance. And we are the first borrowing and lending platform on Arbitrum that actually supported auto compounding for GLP, working with different liquidity pool assets to allow collateralization, but not only collateralization, allowing for you to also be earning on the compounding yields. So why did we build GLend and Tender Finance? As a trader and investor, I found myself, investing in liquidity pool positions on GLP or Uniswap, and I'm earning some really nice yield on these assets, but then I couldn't really do anything with them after that. I could deposit them in like a auto compounder like Beefy Finance or Pickle, and then just, had that manage my position for me, but then I was still limited with the ability to unlock the full potential of my capital, and it was very, stable. And so we thought there should be an opportunity where we can, take advantage of this, collateralize it, and that's where this product came in. So we started with GLP, and kind of what happened was we allowed people to make this carry trade. So as you can see here, you can deposit your GLP, which is earning 24% interest. Then you can, borrow any other asset, pay anywhere from 8 to 9% interest on that, use that to build more GLP, and kind of take advantage of arbitraging the interest rate, right? So this was awesome. Only a handful of people really understood what we were doing and were able to take advantage of the solution. So after being deployed on Arbitrum for over a year now, we had to hit the drawing board and figure out, okay, there's a lot of people that want to use this, but there's a barrier of entry. So what do we do now? How do we get people and just the regular users of, traditional finance involved in this space? So we thought back, in the olden days, when somebody wanted to make a trade, they had like a financial advisor. They would give them a call. They would say, hey, I need you to buy this stock from me. I need you to make this trade for me. Or I need you to take out this loan for me. And this new kind of thing has come around with AI and large language models, which allow us to interact with somebody who's going to essentially perform tasks for us. And that's where our merger with Gemach came in, and why the rebrand to GLend happened. They're building some AI tools that allow you to interact with this essentially AI and get them to perform tasks for you on the blockchain. So whether you need to make a swap, instead of you going to Uniswap and putting in your amount, you can say, hey, I need to swap my asset from this to this, and the bot will go and do it for you, or ask you any more questions that it may need. This bot will also be able to take out borrow positions for you. It may be able to leverage your positions for you, and the integrations we're building are going to be for its own kind of like DeFi suite, which will offer anywhere from being able to take leverage trades to borrowing and lending to swapping, creating index funds and investing in all these kind of things. So that we're able to bring in that next generation of people to DeFi. We've been live for over a year, like I said, and just trying to compete with all these other platforms, compete with just people whose money is already in crypto and DeFi, limited us so much. And there's so many people who can take advantage of these solutions. So that's where we're kind of trying to think next, is how can we get the next billion or $1 trillion into crypto. And what that's really going to need is it to be seamless for them, not having to get them to worry about a wallet and, seed phrases and all that stuff. If we can just build the chat bot, it'll be their kind of personal financial advisor and task maker. So what we're looking for is, always collaboration with projects that, share the same vision. If people that are interested in collaborating through development or marketing or anything else, we're open. On Twitter, you can find us. Gemach Lend is our handle. People know me as King Blueberry, so you can find me on Twitter as well through King Blueberry. And look forward to making some connections and see what we can build together. Question? Yeah, so I'll show you.
He's within time. It's good.
16 seconds. So if you just search GLend into Twitter, just GLend, which would be short for Gemach. Gemach means act of kindness, so we kind of like the name around that. GEMACH.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.